Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Crypto One. Disclaimer, this video is very personal. I'm not here to recommend anything to anyone. This is like a diary for me. Well, today let me share my follow-up on cryptocurrencies, USDJPY and GOLD. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin. My previous video of October 20th, I have talked about past similarity of the range trades, comparing with the currently happening range trade, and also talked about my anticipation of that October, November, December until April to May 2025. So until here was my let's say summary of my past. So my anticipation is here we are seeing first of all, this line is a very strong resistance line with shadow. So this part is very important that it just broke with the real body. And also if here we can see possible resistance line, but well, my anticipation is about this line and creating with the real body and so on, right? So what happened, let's see. So summing up the point, this is the October, and right now this is the strong movement of the November. Well, let's get back to the October. So it didn't reach this line, but yes, indeed, broke this line. And importantly, I can say that this is the shadow, not reaching, but let's say shadow. So this line and this line, I could say that very strong and important resistance line. So in this case, October could not break, but could reach with a shadow. And finally, on this month of November, right now with very strong movement, it broke this tendency, this big resistance line. And just as I have said before, this is also another big, very important resistance line with a shadow, and in October already it broke. So this is very strong sign about it is like from now on very strong price movement of uptrend will be happening. So this is it. So until, well, I would like to say during 2025 will be very great year and so on, but at least until April, or maybe with some hope until May, we can think that this skyrocketing tendency could continue. I don't know until where the price could reach, but well, I'm thrilled to see what is going to happen from now. Well, let's continue with XRP. So until now I have explained about the triangle here, and it is coming to the end of the, let's say, cul-de-sac of this triangle, and yeah, it should break this resistance line because, well, let me draw the triangle here. Yeah, we don't see many days left about this. Right now the price is coming up, kind of going up, but I can expect that once reaching here it can go down again and repeat the tendency until arriving to the end of the corner. However, well, this is same with other cryptocurrencies, especially with the Bitcoin. Strong price movement can be expected from 2025. Well, maybe once reach here, it doesn't go down, it just go up. This is also possible, but we will see what's going on, what will be going on with XRP. Also, I'm thrilled about this currency. Well, talking about the take profit point, in my case, well, 120, 1.60, 2.80, 560, 1120, 16.0, 28, and 56. Yeah, it is like double, triple, 4 times, 10 times, 20 times higher than the current price level. So these are my take profit target. The point is simply I don't know until where the price can go. So I have several positions with the take profit. If it doesn't arrive, if it doesn't reach, it's okay, because the current price is so low that I don't lose much. So well, it is very important again. Always you have to calculate very well and open the positions that in the worst case scenario, let's say maybe go close to zero line, how much negative floating money will be occurred on your account. So from this calculation you can have some possible safe lot size, and you can try to enter to the trade. Well, great. Next topic is Solana. It has been a while that I don't talk about this currency. Well, until now I have been talking about the triangle pattern like this. It is some kind of golden rule with this pattern. When you see the triangle, it break and then create another supporting line, and finally it breaks and then coming up the strong price movement. Well, so let's see about the November 10th chart. So the triangle was created, and as I have said, another line was created here and it broke. So currently we are talking about Solana with these horizontal lines not reaching, but well, shadow, and here breaks, and again here we are talking about the shadow and breaking with the real body, and also here seeing the shadow and not reaching, but I think this line is valid. And right now, well, it's challenging right now. We don't know this November line, November bar, if it could break with real body or maybe just ends up with a shadow, but still today is November 10th. Well, we will see how it will end up about this Solana currency. Well, next is Cardano, ADAUSD. This is also, well, something that I have been not talking about it for a while. Indeed, it is well, different from Bitcoin or Solana or other currencies. It is quite difficult to talk about the pattern. I'm not really seeing it. Well, maybe this is also can be considered as OM. In any case, triangle pattern is not working properly, but well, it is okay. This line or this line, let's say the triangle, I didn't break, just go down, but recovered and created the supporting line, well, sorry, resistance line, and now it just broke and continued the tendency, and well, just as Solana and other current cryptocurrencies, it is creating a strong price movement and reaching this line. We will see how it will end up, but as of today, November 10th, well, I have some hope about this ADA as well. Maybe it can go to next strong price movement. Well, we will see. In any case, same with XRP, the current price is ridiculous. You don't lose much money. So, well, be careful about the lot size. But, well, if you think about the possible gain, I think it was to challenge with ADAUSD. Yeah, this is it. The possible losses and possible gains. Well, we have to calculate very well. Well, Well, just quickly about the follow-up of USDJPY. In my previous video, I talked about this strong price movement and the downtrend as well, until where it could go down. So I have anticipated about the 140 line and also 138 as the possible bottom line. And indeed, right now it just come back to this line, already broke the 152 line. And next target is this 160, 161 line. So this is it. I'm hoping to see the skyrocketing price movement on the USD as well. Well, I have already changed the screen, but the next topic is about the gold, November. So right now, well, we are seeing this strong, well, let's say strong downtrending. So the question is, will it go up again or may create M pattern? So as for the M pattern, I can say like, well, actually I have explained my video or previous video. Well, so it is like this. When you are seeing strong price movement, it goes down and create this, let's say, M letter, and then quite often we can see this price movement. So the point is, if this downtrend is not like this one, yeah, I mean, it just continue up and up and up. But well, let's say that from now on we are going to see M. It would be like 2700 as a possible top high point, and then maybe create something like this. And these two lines are very important, so well, I can expect something similar could happen, right? And then price tries to go up, tries to recover, but start to fall and fall and fall, right? Okay, so in this case we are seeing the letter M. So well, we can see as the sign of M pattern begins and so on. So in this case we will see this resistance line, and well, in this time I have just drawn using this and this as a possible bottom line. But well, who knows, it could be used here, this line could be used as the letter M, or even worse, this could be as well. Why not? So if you see this kind of price movement, well, I will possibly open new positions from here, and also some pending lines already created from here and here as a long position, and well, take profit maybe 2700 or maybe a little bit less than 2700. I will close all open positions in this case. Yeah, more than likely it would reach similar to this line, but wow, let's say conservative line. And what if not? I mean, instead of M letter like just happened here, go down, but using this line as a very strong supporting line, and go up, some price adjustment and go up. Well, in this case I'm not seeing any M letter, so I will not close my positions from let's say here or here or here. I will keep holding positions. In any case, some positions are already set at take profit of 2750, 2800, 2850. So these positions will be closed, but I have other positions without these take profit lines, so I will just keep holding them. Well, great. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next video. Ciao.